We're looking at the letter sound R and its alternatives. Alright, this is the R. Letter sound R. It can be written this way and in 3 other different ways. Okay, so when you see letter O and letter R, it makes the sound R. Letter A and letter U together makes the sound R. R. When you see AW, it also makes the sound R. And AL, letter A and L makes the sound R. So today we've learned the different ways that the all letter sounds can be written. We have in words like corn, AL in words like all, AW in words like saw, and AU in words like fault. Alright, thank you and see you in my next video. Thank you.